All right, section 4.4 on atomic number and mass number. Some important definitions here. So a lot of times students will get mass number confused. And again, very, very important stuff that you're going to use for the rest of the year. So let's go ahead and get started. First, the atomic number. Oh, sorry. First, video problem 9. So make sure that you take a little bit of time to watch video problem number 9 after this particular video. So, all right. So first, the atomic number. The atomic number is the number of protons that are in that element. And very important, each element has its own atomic number. Let's do it this way. The atomic number defines the element. Okay, and the atomic number is shown on the periodic table. All right. An atom, very important here. Atoms are electrically neutral. If it's not neutral, it's not an atom. So very important to note. As soon as we become charged, we're no longer an atom. Okay? So since they are neutral, that means that the number of protons will equal the number of electrons. So take a look at lithium here as an example. So here's the atomic number of lithium. It's 3. Atomic number is typically on the top of the periodic table. That means that there are 3 protons. So there's 1, 2, 3 protons. So any atom we find anywhere in the universe that has 3 protons, it's lithium. There's no debate, there's no question in it. That's what it is. Any atom with 3 protons is lithium. As soon as we change the number of protons, we become a different element. So here's carbon with 6 protons. So if we add 3 protons to lithium, it becomes carbon. Now, again, since this is an atom is electrically neutral, so if we have 6 protons, which is 6 pluses, we will have to have 6 electrons, which is 6 minuses. Right? So that's neutral. So the number of protons is always going to equal the number of electrons in an atom, because atoms are neutral. Now, the one that students always make a mistake on is mass number. The mass number is the number of protons plus neutrons. So we can write an equation for this. We could say mass number equals protons plus neutrons. The mass number is not the mass. It's a mass number. It's a count of how many protons and neutrons, how many neutrons how many particles we have in the nucleus. It is not shown on the periodic table. Very important. Super duper underline that one. Okay, so here, let me show you an example. Here's iron. Okay, the atomic number of iron is 26. The mass number is 58. What does that mean? Well, that means that 58 is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Well, we know that we have 26 protons, so from that we can figure out the number of neutrons. It has 22 neutrons, or 32. Dope. It has 32 neutrons. Again, go and watch the video problems.